welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me today for another video. Still full of cold, still feel rubbish, hoping, praying that it will go by Christmas Day, so at least we can enjoy Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, because we've got a lot of plans. I have today been wrapping up all the presents, and my God, it took me longer than I thought, because naturally where I've been buying bits and pieces for a while, it's taken me longer because I didn't realise I'd bought quite as much as I did, over budget as usual. And what else have I done? Oh, and I'm going to my friend's house tonight for some KFC, because we're like really classy, and it's like 3 of my old colleagues, one of whom I still work with, but the other 2 have now left. But we always do like Christmas events, and we've not done a KFC for a little while, so that's what we're going to do this time round. So I'm quite excited to go for that a bit later. Yeah, let's get stuck into day 21. Right, I'm going to start with Co. I keep trying to mix up the order, but I think I end up doing it in the same order every time, and I don't really know why. Oh, managed to keep that without ripping the sticker. Scalloped sampler. So they're like scalloped boxes, different colours. I quite like the vibrancy of them, actually. They're not my style of box. I wouldn't normally use this sort of thing. But I like the colours. Co. There's something about her colour palettes. Right, the Grumpy Tortoise. This feels like more sticky notes. And I'm going, oh, does it match that black and white flowering thing? No. But, oh, they're cute. Yeah, they're very nice. Not my sort of style. That floral pattern was never going to be my style, but they'll get used because I've got a new plan for sticky notes next year, you see. So I'm going to try and use up my stash. Right, Plan, Inspire, Create, day 21. So, daily self-care prompt, say no to something you don't want to do. I'm not sure there is something I don't want to do at the moment. I'll have to have a think about that, but maybe I'll just need to bear it in mind for like future plans and stuff. Oh, I know, there's a work thing going on that I'm not that keen on going to. Maybe I'll say no to that. But I get a serious FOMO. Anyway. Right, so you get a little die cut sticker today. When life gets unclear, adjust your focus. Cute. Another like mental healthy type sticker. Right, TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I have no idea what this is. I'm hoping it's like vinyl stickers. Because I'm like, I don't feel like, oh, bucker. I've literally just ripped that envelope, and I was trying so hard not to rip these. Bit of glue. I'm sure I can glue that back down. Make it work, make it work. Anyway, yeah, I don't feel like there's been many stickers in here, which is quite surprising for me. Oh, cute. Self-growth sticky notes. They're like tabbed. These are different. I like these. Yeah, I don't feel like there's been many stickers in here, which I shouldn't feel disappointed with this calendar because look at it. But I think for the cost, other shops are a bit more generous. So they stick sideways, and they're like, are they vellum? They're a bit thicker than vellum. Oh no, they are. They're like a vellum-y type one. But they're cute. I like those. I am going to put them back in the packet to try and keep them safe. Right, keep them safe. Keep them neat. Right, so that is day 21 of my advent calendars. A little bit hit and miss today, I think. Like, that's my favourite thing. But never mind. We move on, because it's another day tomorrow, isn't it? So I've only got a few days left, and I'll see you on the 22nd. Hi guys. So today is actually the 23rd of December. I'm going to be doing 2 days. On the 22nd, I fell asleep when I was putting my baby to bed, and I slept all through the night, other than, you know, waking up with the kids and that kind of thing. So I was in bed for like 12 hours. I feel a bit better, but I'm still exhausted. Like, this cold is killing me. So I don't think it's going to be gone by Christmas, which is quite sad, but I'm opening yesterday's as well. We went to the Panto yesterday. We went to see Cinderella, and it was my daughter's first experience of the Panto, my eldest. My youngest stayed with her grandparents on one side, and we took my mum as well to go and see the Panto, and it was really good. The stepmother in it was brilliant. They were the best character and the best actor. Yeah, it was really, really good. My daughter had a great time shouting at the stage and being involved in everything, but bless her, when we got home, antibiotics time, and yeah, feeling really unwell and overtired, and it was a bit much for her really. And then today we went to see the local charity. We're doing a Father Christmas thing at the shop at the end of our road. So we went to meet Father Christmas again, and my God, did she scream about trying to meet him this time, in a bad way. She's too shy, I think, this year, maybe next year. Let's get stuck in because I'll ramble on. So, the Coffee Monsters Co. This one looks like some sort of grow gardening type thing. I don't know if it's going to be up my street or not. Oh dear. It's vegetables. It's vegetables and gardening. I suppose it's healthy eating, isn't it? So, healthy eating. Here we go. I'm sure you've seen these by now. I think that's a full rotation. Is that a full rotation? No. God, it keeps going. Look at the little peach. Brilliant. Down to a lemon. No. Carrot. No. There we go. That's a full rotation. So there's quite a lot up to the strawberry. There's quite a lot of patterns on there. Little emotis with all their like veggies and stuff. So I mean, that can encourage my healthy eating in January, can't it? I've already been preparing my daughter for, we're cutting out sugar because, or at least cutting down on sugar, because the amount of sugar she eats is ridiculous. Right, plan, inspire, create, day 22. Better an oops than a what if. Another postcard. That's cute. That is true. I do like that. And then the self-care prompt for today is somewhere there. Do something creative. I've got planners to set up, so I definitely will be doing that at some stage. 22nd of December for Rebel Ink Co. Oh, look. Look. I didn't need more 2023 stickers, but wowee. I really like it. I love this one. I love this. This is cool. It's kind of sketchy. It's meant to be like that, but at least I assume it's meant to be like that. I really like this one though. I think this is the font I normally go for. I've got a few with this sort of thing, but yeah. Oh, that's cool. I like that. And then the Grumpy Tortoise, day 22. Oh, it's a pack of sticker flakes or die cut stickers, whatever you would prefer to call them. Let's just get in here. So we've got Hello Spring, Hello Summer, Hello Autumn, and Hello Winter. So I was right about the flower designs, that was supposed to be seasonal. So that's really pretty, isn't it? I'm not sure. I think winter's my favourite. Then maybe spring, because I love the green. Oh, lovely. That's really nice. I like those. That's really nice. Right, let's just move some of this stuff, and then we're going to do day 23 as well. So that is day 22 for me. There we go. Right, I'm putting washi back in the box. I'll swatch that later, actually. And I need my self-care prompt over there. Let's move those bits out the way. And then day 23. So I'm excited about this one. I really am. Right. Washi tape, isn't it? Grumpy Tortoise first. If I can get into it. Oh my goodness. I'm assuming it's washi tape. Yeah, washi tape. Oh wow. Wow. Right, let's get straight in here and have a look. Because I always find that about washi tape. It's one thing looking at it on the roll, and it's another thing looking at it laid out. This looks pretty though. This looks really pretty. I like that it's a bit wider actually. I haven't got many that are a bit wider. So that's nice because that's a bit different. Like a 20mm tape by the looks of things. I've done it again, look. Too eager. I'm too eager. Here we go. Nope, it's done it again. I don't know if that's the glue or if that's the way I pull it or what, but it happened on the last roll as well. So maybe if I just pull it slower. And it's like peonies all the way along. And I think that's a full rotation. And on a white, I mean my desk is white, but I've got a desk protector down. That's what it looks like, really pretty. I am going to just take that bit off the end because it's gone a bit funny, so I'll get rid of that piece. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. Purpley as well. I like purples. I'm more of a purple person than I am a pink person, so that's great for me. Right, plan, inspire, create. I'm saving the Coffee Monsters Co till last because I'm so excited. I can't believe we're on the 23rd of December already. I've finished wrapping presents today though, finally. I've still got to ice my Christmas cake. Oh, Pamper Time stickers. Oh, they're nice. I like the little candle one. I guess it's like a wax melt thing, isn't it? This is like a face roller thing someone told me before. Never used one of those in my life. This is nice. I like this too. Right, so self-care prompt. Do a small act of kindness for someone. Oh, I don't know what that would be. I'll have to think about something. I suppose Christmas presents and stuff. I don't know why I've just put that back in the envelope. Right, so in fact, I'm going to take it out before I lose it because I'm going to end up just chucking all the rubbish on the floor and I don't want to lose my stickers. So there we go. And then Rebel Ink Co. 23. Oh, my big pen pot. Oh, I love it. Look at this. And then there's a shelf with the pen pot on. Oh, I want albums like that. Like, I know what it reminds me of. I've got a 12 by 12 album that's a rainbow type thing like this. I think it's a Becky Higgins one. And then there's a whole like strip down the bottom. Like, just brilliant. Really, really fun. I really like her calendar. It's really fun. And then Coffee Monsters Go. Look at this paper. These are all being kept, by the way, just so you know. In case you haven't seen my other videos. I seem to have a select few people that watch all of my videos, and I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you as well for tuning in every time I post, because it gives me the motivation to keep going, knowing that at least a few people are watching. Oh, look! Oh, it's a sticker folder. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I thought it was, but it wasn't that. I thought it would be like a notepad. Right. Oh, it's a little house. I could put my receipts in it because it's a good size for receipts, isn't it? And it's even got a little pocket down here. Oh, that's amazing. I really like that. I'm pleased with that. Right, that's really cute. So that is day 23. I've only got one more day to go in the calendars, except for the Grumpy Tortoise, which is a 25-day calendar. So I am going to do that one tomorrow as well. Just sorry about the glare. Just because I want to get it all done before Christmas, really, and get it uploaded on Christmas Eve if I can, because I don't want to be out in my shed on Christmas Day. I want to be with my family and enjoying myself. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for the last one in my advent calendars. Christmas Eve! I'm so excited. My daughter is just on one today. Oh my god, she's been bad the last couple of days of being excited, but my goodness me, is she excited today. So we went for Christmas buffet at my mum's house today. She does it every Christmas Eve and it's like a family party. I didn't see one of my sisters and her little girl, and I think we're just going to miss each other with our own arrangements this year, so that's a bit sad. But I'm hoping to see her at some point between Christmas and New Year, and I've still left her present behind so that she's got hers to open. But my god, I'm so excited for Christmas. I can't wait to see my daughter's face when she's opening her presents and stuff. And hopefully she will like what we've got her and she won't change her mind again. Right, so 24th of December and 25th for the Grumpy Tortoise. I'm going to start with Rebel Ink Co, because I never start with Rebel Ink Co. Let's have a look. So day 24. Look! Oh, look at those. That's so good. So my name and my initial, and oh wow, I love this. And they're separate letters as well, which is really cool. That one and that one. So you can put them like up and down like this, or you can try and put them in a straight line or whatever you need to do. Like, oh, that's amazing. I really like those. I could stare at those forever. Oh, I'm so excited to set up my planners. If I ever get round to it. Oh my goodness. I've got all the stuff now at least. Right, so 24th of December for Plan, Inspire, Create. I'm not going to be able to save this sticker, I don't think. And I think I'm kind of past that now. Other than the Rebel Ink Co ones, because they are beautiful. Right. Feels like a notepad. It is a notepad. To-do list. Me, because I should always be my top priority. I really like that. That's really cool. I quite like the design in the back as well. There's quite a lot here as well. Same as the like nighttime list making one. That's really cool. I like that. I don't know whether to do this or this first. I'm going to do the Grumpy Tortoise first. This is just a little Christmas card. Aww. Oh, let's cover that over. Right, let's do that again. There's a discount code in the corner. To Sarah, warm wishes, all the best from Linda. Aww. Thanks, Linda. Merry Christmas. Right, and let's get stuck in. So 24th. Hers feels like a notepad too, which it is. Look. Pretty. Oh, it's magnetic for my fridge. I needed one of these. Oh, thank you, Linda. My last one fell apart, so I've got the backing card on the magnet, but the actual like list making stuff. Oh, look. That's so pretty. It says make a note. Oh, thank you. Right, day 25. Feels like a pen. It's a big pen. Oh, fun. Magnetic fridge pen. Oh, that's clever. That's clever. Right, let's get it out the packet. I'm not entirely sure. I'm assuming that's the magnet and you stick it on the fridge like that and then does it come off? No, you take the whole thing off. Like, and it's got a little cap on the end as well just to keep it. And it says the Grumpy Tortoise on the side. So the magnet itself, it's like a little flower. That's really cool. That's going to last 5 seconds in my house. I might have to keep it in my shed on my notice board or something. Right, and then the last one. I'm hopeful for this washi tape because I've seen the sky. And if anyone knows my unicorns, then I'm praying. I am really praying. Did I get a self-care prompt for... What's it? Just before I do this. Yeah, I did. Oh, I forgot it. Look, I'm too excited. Oh, look through old photos. I do that on a practically daily basis. Google memories, you know, like all the time. Looking at my kids. Oh, yes. Look. Oh, look at the colour. Look at the colour. It goes really well with my Rebel Ink Co stickers. Look. So we've got emoji heads. If I can get it off. The roll. It's all the emoji heads. Awesome. And this one that I'm so excited about. It's like night owls and stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. So there's the self-care one. There's one reading with a little owl next to it. There's a happy little emoji. Brushing her teeth, having a bath, face mask, and then we're back to reading again. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The little owl has done it for me. And the little starry skies. Like, I love that. I absolutely love that. What a day. What a day to be opening presents. Right, I'm sure that I will get some planner stuff for Christmas. I've got an unboxing of a planner to show you, so I will do that at some point. And I'm going to try and do my lineup and my setup and all of that stuff on camera. But I'm just going to have to see how it goes. And it might be a setup that's like a flip through rather than, you know, filming everything because it's going to be really long otherwise. But I hope you will come back and see me again if you enjoyed all of these unboxings. I've got a couple of hauls to do as well when they arrive, but of course the post is what it is. Thank you very much for joining me. If you've joined me throughout this entire series, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos and I hope you do enjoy them. Merry Christmas all of you. I hope you have a wonderful time with your families and take care. Bye.